because there was a lot of uncertainties जो थी because of the noise of war, the skirmishes between India and Pakistan. So there was also a news कि exam might get postponed, but now things look like they are settled, and because they seem settled, so it is very natural that exam will happen. Now normally a UPSC cycle is about is defined cycle. So you have prelims, then we have mains. But let's target on this day, the 25th May of 2025, and how we should be able to do that. So naturally, the idea is strategy approach, or I would rather say what kind of attitude and mindset you should have, because preparation is about attitude and mindset. So right now, your attitude should be positive, and your mindset should be that, see, this is something that I have been doing. पिछले 2-3 सालों से इस प्रोसेस में हम इन्वॉल्व हैं, आई एम पुटिंग एफर्ट, सो यू हैव टू बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, यू बिलीव इन द आइडिया ऑफ एफर्ट दैट यू मेड, एंड बिलीव मी, थिंग्स हैपन if the energy is positive and if you think good. So naturally, now let's see the academics part. So revision is what is ideally suggested. Whatever you have done, now ideally आप कितना रिविजन कर सकते हैं? I would say 2 रिविजन की भी कोशिश करिए, but be very thorough in the revision. And you can revise the class notes. आपने जितने भी MCQs लगाए हैं, go through them, see them, standard sources से focus करिए, because and also PYQ based linkage है, so make sure that the topics जो news में है based on the theme and PYQs आप उन पे ज़्यादा focus करिए, because UPSC might ask the themes which are repeated in terms of the contemporary relevance. So that relevance part will make a lot of difference in your learning. And CSAT is all about practice. यहाँ भी you can stick to the idea of PYQs, and PYQs are going to be very effective in terms of the approach. So here is what I'm suggesting you. कुछ नया नहीं करना है, nothing out of box. It's very simple, plain. Thoroughness of the effort that you've made in the last 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, जो भी आपने किया है. This is not the time for new mock test. Avoid it, especially because if you feel that आपका mocks में score नहीं आ रहे हैं, या फिर you feel that things might not work, believe me, they will work on the final day because you have done your homework. So ये बहुत जरूरी है. Now how to do it? Now there are 2 parts of preparation. One is the academic and non-academic. Normally aspirants लोग ये कहते हैं इस पर focus करो, but I believe that non-academic has a very direct correlation with academics. As I mentioned, preparation is about attitude and mindset. तो आपका attitude क्या है इस वक्त? क्या आप सोच रहे हो? आपका sleep cycle, आपके stress को कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप स्ट्रेसफुल हो तो स्लीप साइकिल विल बी इंपैक्टेड. सो यू नीड टू स्लीप वेल, यू नीड टू गिव रेस्ट टू योर बॉडी सो दैट यू कैन परफॉर्म. यू हैव टू मेंटेन द कंपोजर. ना कंपोजर बोलने से तो आएगा नहीं, तो यू हैव टू टेल योरसेल्फ दैट सी आई हैव डन वेल, आई एम डूइंग माय एफर्ट, I'm every day I'm putting 10 hours of effort, and because I'm putting that effort, it is very natural that I'm going to do well on the final day. Similarly, if we come to the academic part, now as I already have discussed that nothing new, revision of the class notes, standard sources, PYQs. तो यहाँ पे focus आपको prioritizing का होगा, so that the holistically you are able to do that. One more thing that you can do here is that you can prioritize the area जहाँ UPSC ज़्यादा सवाल पूछता है, and thereby the revision can be more effective of those areas where UPSC questions are asked more, and you can do better here. Be thorough. Thoroughness is the key, because UPSC will go in depth, conceptual clarity पे वो जाएंगे, and lot of your learning, because ideally situation आप कितना attempt करते हो, तो I would say that minimum number of attempt is 75. आपको 75 attempt तो करना ही है if you want to clear the prelims. So the last अगर cut off देखेंगे तो last year it was 88, then a year before 75, then 88, 87, 92, 98, 98. यानी पिछले in the last 7-8 years, one thing that you'll find that आपका कट ऑफ 100 से नीचे है, 85, 45 to 50%. So but 75 is the ideal attempt in terms of minimum. इससे नीचे नहीं करिएगा. lot of people say that हमने 60 किया, हमारा accuracy अच्छा है. Believe me, this attempt is something that I should be looking. Anything 75 plus is advisable. 85, 90, 95, that is a judgment that you will take on the final day. आप final day जब पेपर देंगे तो उसमें आप उसको judgment को आपको करना पड़ेगा. Then coming to, now first I'll take this and then the anxiety and stress. Now are you feeling stress and anxiety? Are you feel that things are there are too many things, information overload हो रहा है? It's like the information is leaking. When you're sleeping, you're thinking all the time. आप पूरे टाइम सोच रहे हो क्या हो रहा है, एग्जाम इंफॉर्मेशन ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ याद ही नहीं है. In spite of doing so many revisions, in spite of going through them, believe me, it is normal. It is very very normal. Accept it. Okay, ठीक है, it is normal. So when you accept it as a normal, you tend to handle it in a better way. Acceptability of things, वो आधी आपने, you have won half the war or half the, battle in your mind, and then you focus. Now how do you bring focus? Try to keep yourself from the negative energy. Negative energy is any energy which is not conducive for your preparation. इधर उधर शॉर्ट्स देखना, स्ट्रैटेजीज पूछना, या फिर ये क्या होगा, स्पीकिंग टू योर फ्रेंड जो शायद आपको बहुत चीजें आपको एक स्ट्रेस में डाल देते हैं, ये नहीं किया, यू हैव नॉट डन दिस, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड सडनली यू आर जगलिंग विद थिंग्स. नाउ दैट हैज टू बी मैनेज्ड. सो दैट इज वेयर यू नीड टू cut off yourself from whosoever people. Speak to them, people who are your well wishers or good, या जो प्रिपरेशन के प्रोसेस में है उनसे भी आप दूरी मेंटेन करिए. In the अभी 2 हफ्ते में what I'll do is that I'm going to speak to all the aspirants who are my students, and I'll speak to them one by one and just motivate them. Eat, pray well. Pray, eat well. You can pray also. If you believe in God, if you believe in some positive energy, if you believe in some spiritual source of energy, believe in themselves and surrender them. Surrender yourself to them, stating that, okay, I'll do well. God, take care of me. I'm doing well. I'll do well, and I have that belief. And nothing new has to be done. Nothing new. ये एक टाइम ऐसा है जहां नया नहीं करना है, आपको थरोनेस लेके आना है जो भी आप कर रहे हो. And then the last is believe in yourself. You are there. You have done your hard work. All the inputs that you've done in the last 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, वो सारी चीजें will converge on final day. But it is your mental composure, your self-belief, your ability to handle these things will do that. It is you who will decide. The success is something that comes with its own series of challenges that you have faced. You have done your hard work, you have done your inputs, and it is said that every small effort that you have made, आपने जो भी छोटा सा भी effort पिछले 2 से 3 साल में किया है, believe me, all of that will converge and you will see positive light on the final day. So on 25th of May, 9:30 to 11:30, 2:30 to 4:30 is a time that you have to perform. One more thing, a lot of people study in a very good environment of air conditioners and all. I would advise sleep in fan, take care of your health. Don't live in very luxury, because if you start studying in air conditioners and all, final day में आपको दिक्कत होगी. So try to maintain, if you are practicing or revising, do it in fan or maybe at the max cooler. So that way it is very effective, would be there. So thank you very much. That is all for now. God bless you. You are there and you will do well. Take care. Bye bye. We'll meet again regularly and consistently. Take care.